What up, everybody? This is my man C-No right here. You already know who I am. So we just went for a spin in my 03 SL500. My man just picked up an SL500. He's already having ABC problems out of it. You got the common ABC light coming on whenever he hits a hard bump. Told him it's the accumulators. Now his car also is going up and down at idle. So now you got the O-ring issue in the valve bodies or whatever, in the valve blocks rather. So you had those issues. Once those accumulators fail, when those bladders fail, those rubber bladders, whatever they're made out of, silicone, whatever, once they fail and are compromised and they fill up with fluid, those accumulators are no good. Now you have contaminants all throughout the system. Your O-rings are gone. You replace all that, do a rodeo, fluid flush, and you might be okay. You might be okay after thousands of dollars spent. We went for a spin in my 03 SL500 with the Silver's Neomax adjustable coilovers. What do you think about them, Cord?
Unbelievable. Unmarkable.
Remarkable.
I'm going to tell you this right now. I was skeptical about doing it at first. I wasn't going to do it. After riding in this one, I would pay whatever it costs to do my system. $3,500, $4,000, it's worth it. You're going to pay more than that to maintain the ABC suspension.
So instead of the ABC, what you going to do?
I'm going to do the coilover suspension, Neomax.
Yeah, Neomax Silvers.
The truth.
The truth. Now we talking about high speed, whatever. And I don't have sway bars. So I guess with sway bars, it'd be even better. But without sway bars, does the car feel stable?
Yes, it does. Very stable.
When I hit bumps, is it excessive bounce? Or does it?
It's right where it's supposed to be.
Yeah, it feels good.
Feels good.
Feels
good. Factory.
Ain't that something?
Factory.
Ain't that something? So all y'all haters that don't agree with adjustable coilovers on Mercedes, y'all know what y'all talking about. More than likely, y'all ain't never done it, or y'all had somebody bootleg do it who didn't do a good job. I did this myself. Now he's going to take his to a shop and get his professionally done, and he should have the same results because it's really a easy swap. Anybody knows what they're doing can do this swap.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that's what we doing, man. So he's impressed. I'm more convinced, you know what I mean? Because I know I'm kind of, I favor this system. I'm kind of like, biased when it comes to this coilover suspension, and I'm used to it. So this is somebody who's never rode in it before, and he sees the difference. He has one with ABC. He knows how ABC is supposed to feel, active body control. He likes that. He was scared to get rid of that and switch over to coilovers. But after riding in this one with the adjustable coilovers,
I'm doing it. Peace.
Peace out. Oh yeah, one more thing before I end this video. Don't think that this is my man's first Mercedes and he don't know no better. How many Mercedes you got?
Probably 9.
All right. So he has Mercedes with the ABC suspension. He has a CL500 ABC suspension that's still good on that. And he's going to maintain that system. He doesn't have any problems out of it. I think when you first bought it, you put like a pump in it.
Yeah, I put a pump.
All right. Yep. So he's not ignorant. He knows exactly what he's giving up and what he wants. He already has Mercedes with the Aromatic, with the ABC. He knows what it is. So for him to give his opinion about this right here, that's a solid opinion. Respect that. Respect it. You know what I mean? This ain't my man's first rodeo. He know what it is, man. So he's speaking from experience.
Yes, sir.
You know what I mean? He know what he's talking about, man. So something to consider, man. It's an option. I ain't telling y'all what to do. I'm just telling you. It's a good option. Good option.
Do it.